Good morning. Quick Friday check-in with you today because it's been a long time since I've done a Friday check-in. Flylady Daily Focus. We have this focus thing because it stops us from having to carry all the information in our head. So for today, for Friday, you're going to look in your car. Is there anything that needs to go back into the house? We're doing like a poopa, pick up and put away for 5 minutes. I've just filled up the car with petrol, and when I'm at I don't do that very often because we're usually on our bikes. But when I'm at the petrol station, then I wipe down the windscreens, check everything is okay. Is there any rubbish in here, any trash? I've just actually been round picking up an item from a friend. I'm going to a Halloween party tomorrow, and this is going to be part of my costume. And in other news for Flylady Friday, date night. Hubby and we like to stay home, and I put together a little snack basket. What is going in the snack basket for today? I'll show you here. Oh, hold on. I'm just going to stop filming for a minute because there's a girl walking down the street and she's going to be thinking, what on earth is she doing in her car? So hold on. I'll just wait about 10 seconds. Okay, and the third part of the Flylady Focus is tidying out your purse, your handbag. I've got my sports bag, my swimming bag in the back of the car. I've just had a wee dip in the sea. We're just taking a few minutes to do these things because it really sets up for being in control the next time, so we're not panicking. When the kids come home from school, go through the backpacks. Is there sports gear that needs washed? Lunch boxes, water bottles, all those kind of things. And I just want to really say to you, take time for yourself today. The self-care is so important. I've had my wee dip in the sea, and I'm going to get on with my day. So anyway, all I've got left to say, I'm just going to move hands, is live long and prosper. May the weekend hygge be with you, and I shall see you very soon with a ra. Okay, bye for now.